Welcome to Dollars Daily, your shortcut to smart money. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to start trading Forex. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the world's largest financial market. Every time you travel abroad and exchange your dollars for euros or yen, you've participated in the Forex market. Forex trading involves speculating on the value of one currency against another, for profit. It's a decentralized, global, 24-hour marketplace, moving over $7 trillion per day in trading volume. Let's look at how the Forex market is structured. Forex operates through a global network of banks, brokers, and liquidity providers, connected electronically. There are 4 major trading sessions: the London session, the New York session, the Sydney session, and the Tokyo session. Each session overlaps with another, giving traders opportunities to trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The biggest players in Forex are central banks, commercial banks, hedge funds, multinational corporations, and retail traders. Now let's get practical. How do you actually trade Forex? Step 1. Choose a broker. You'll need a reliable broker who gives you access to currency pairs and provides a trading platform. Step 2. Understand currency pairs. Currencies are traded in pairs. Step 3. Decide your trade direction. If you think the base currency will go up, you buy. If you think it will go down, you sell. Step 4. Use analysis. You can trade using technical or fundamental analysis. Step 5. Manage risk. Never trade without a stop loss. Step 6. Place the trade. Execute your order on your broker's platform, and monitor it accordingly. That's the basic flow of Forex trading, simple in structure, but it takes practice and discipline to master. Why do so many people get attracted to Forex trading? Here are some benefits. High liquidity. There are always buyers and sellers. 24-hour market. Trade any time of day. Low barriers to entry. Start with as little as $10 or $100. Leverage. Trade positions larger than your balance. Of course, Forex is not a guaranteed money machine. It takes learning, patience, and a solid risk plan. So there you have it, a simple introduction to Forex trading. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into strategies, risk management, and tools to help you trade smarter. Make sure to subscribe to Dollars Daily and hit the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Which Forex topic should I cover next? Comment below and let me know.